In this quick play-along guitar warm-up, we're going to loosen up your fingers and build coordination with 6 beginner play-along exercises, all performed on the low E string. So grab your guitar and let's go. So let's start with exercise 1, spider climbs. The way we do spider climbs is go index, middle, ring, pinky, then move up a fret and repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 fingers here, up a fret, and repeat. And up again. Repeat this until our pinky gets to the 12th fret. You got this. If you need to, use YouTube speed settings to slow down the exercise and practice at a slower pace. Last couple. Okay, last one now. Amazing work, great job. Exercise 1 complete. Exercise 2 is a finger stretch drill. This is going to get your fingers more agile and stretching by doing our index finger, skipping a fret, and then the other 3 fingers. So we skip that 2nd fret in the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. So index, middle, ring, pinky, skipping out the fret in between our index and middle fingers. If you're struggling with the coordination, just use your left hand, your fretting hand. Get used to the movement. And just get rid of the right hand. Just go along with me with your left hand on the fretboard. Last one. Great job, that's our finger stretch drill complete. Next up we have index downs. With this one, we're always going to come back to our index finger in between the other 3 fingers. So we're going to go index, middle, index, ring, index, pinky, then move up a fret and repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now up a fret, index, middle, index, ring, index, pinky, up a fret, index. Great job. Okay, last one. Amazing work. Now we're going to focus on our middle, ring and pinky fingers by doing middle downs. Here we're going to gain some coordination between the more difficult fingers. We're going to do the same thing as the index downs, but with our middle finger leading. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle, ring, middle, pinky, up a fret, middle, ring, middle, pinky, and up. Great job, you're doing great. Okay, last one now. Great job. Okay, moving on now to the most difficult one, the ring and pinky exercise. This is the same thing, but we're only using our ring and pinky fingers, so we're leading with our ring finger. So we go ring, pinky, ring, pinky, ring, pinky. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one now. Ring and pinky exercise complete. That one's great for ring finger and pinky independence. They're very difficult, so great job if you managed to get that one down. Our final exercise is the walk from 12. We're going to start with our pinky on the 12th fret and come back down in reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then move down a fret on the 11th fret with the pinky. We're going pinky, ring, middle, index as we move down the frets. Great job. Okay, last one now. Amazing work. That's our 5-minute beginner warm-up complete. Come back every day and improve along with me. If you've enjoyed this, then I've made you a free beginner's exercise guide you can grab in the description box below to improve even faster.